हाय गाइस। तो कैसे हो भाइयों। नाउ गाइस, इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम बैलेंस शीट को डिटेल से पढ़ेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, करंट एसेट्स, फिक्स एसेट्स, अदर एसेट्स, करंट लायबिलिटीज एंड लॉन्ग टर्म लायबिलिटीज, equity section. These three sections are main and always show liquidity. Means current assets and permanent assets. First of all, current cash. This is most liability in always in our hand. We are purchase anything with cash. So this is most liquidity per thing. So in this case use liquidity principle. In balance sheet always must be. Okay guys. So liquidity is must be in balance sheet. Secondly, बैलेंस शीट का फर्स्ट सेक्शन है एसेट्स. सो व्हेन यू asked about assets, you must be called asset like this. This is cash and cash equipments. First, short term investment, prepaid expenses, prepaid revenue, sharing expenses, other expenses like this. Guys, this is assets. Okay. Current assets what both balance in book equipments. Okay, source of numbers, cash. So this is the balance sheet, soft side, hard side, like this. Guys, these things are always familiar with you. So secondly, fixed assets. These are fixed. dvdlibrary.net. Property, property, equipment, this is fixed asset. This is not a like cash liquidity. First of all you purchase, then you will get cash, then you will able to purchase anything. Or so this is fixed assets. These are all fixed assets. These are all fixed assets. Okay. Then these are main fixed: building, computer equipment, purchase software, furniture. So dissecting a balance sheet, left side thinking and fixed assets. Assets are left, always left side. So balance sheet, first of all, brands, equipments, computer system, furniture, fixed. These things always used in balance sheet. So guys, first of all, balance sheet is individual. Then we will talk about the other assets. Other assets means other, like these. We are spend some money on one thing, but we are not get thing. So this is the other sides of assets. So now this thing we are talk about liabilities. Liabilities always on top side on left. Okay. So liabilities are that kinds of account we are pay in future. Means guys, ये हम पर उधार है. ओके. लाइबिलिटीज फर्स्ट अकाउंट्स पेएबल होता है, अकाउंट एक्सपेंसेस, deferred रेवेन्यू. ओके. So this is the revenue means. Current right side thinking, left side software. Both side I am talk about software and hardware. Both side. ये लॉन्ग टर्म लाइबिलिटीज हैं गाइस. दिस इज लॉन्ग टर्म लाइबिलिटीज. ओके. मैं आपका वक्त नहीं ज़ाया कर सकता क्योंकि दिस इज़ द मेन इक्वेशन ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. एसेट्स बराबर है लाइबिलिटी प्लस ओनर इक्विटी. these things must be in your mind when you read accounting. Always in mind. Okay guys. So first thing, affect business transaction on balance sheet. Michael Michael start his automobile repair business overnight auto service by selling 8,000 shares. ओके. सो इससे बैलेंस शीट में क्या असर होगा हम देखते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये ट्रांजैक्शन है, डेफिनेशन है. शो 8,000 का एसेट्स आ गया, एसेट्स में कैश आ गई, ओनर इक्विटी में आ गया क्योंकि ओनर ने दिया. सो कैपिटल स्टॉक में. Okay, this is the balance sheet of first cash equipments. Okay, this is the second. Purchase land city of 52,000.